Hi everybody. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a Facebook Meta Ads account. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just starting out, this guide will help you get set up from scratch. I'll explain everything in simple terms so you can follow along, even if you've never run ads before. Let's start from the beginning. First, make sure you have a Facebook account. You need a personal Facebook account to create and manage your Meta Ads account. If you don't have one, go to facebook.com and sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you have your personal Facebook account ready, go to business.facebook.com. This is where you will set up your Meta Business Manager. The Business Manager helps you manage all your assets in one place. That includes your Facebook page, Instagram account, ad accounts, and people who help run your business. When you open business.facebook.com, you'll see a blue button that says Create Account. Click on it. Now you will need to enter your business name. You can use your real business name or any name that represents your brand. After that, type in your name and your business email address. Make sure the email you use is active because Facebook will send a confirmation to it. Once you enter that information, click the blue Submit button. Facebook will now send you an email to confirm your business account. Open your email and click on the confirmation link. After confirming, your Business Manager account is created. Now that your Business Manager is ready, it's time to create your ads account. Inside the Business Manager dashboard, look for the menu button in the top left corner. It looks like a grid of 9 dots. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Business Settings. This will take you to the Settings panel. On the left-hand side, you will see many options. Scroll down and click on Ad Accounts. On the right side of the screen, click the blue Add button. You will get 3 options. Choose the one that says Create a new ad account. Now, you will need to enter a name for your new ad account. You can name it after your business or project. Next, select the time zone that matches your location. This is important because your ad reports will be based on this time zone. Then select the currency you want to use for billing. After that, click Next. Now, Facebook will ask who this ad account is for. Choose the option that says My Business. Then click Create. Your ad account is now created, but we're not done yet. You'll now need to assign people to the ad account. You'll see your own name listed. You can give yourself full access by checking the Manage Ad Account box. Then click Assign. The next step is to add a payment method. This is how you'll pay for the ads you run. To do that, go back to the Business Settings menu. On the left, find and click Payment Methods. Then click the Add Payment Method button. You'll need to enter your credit card details or choose another payment method available in your country. Make sure the information is correct. Once you add your payment method, click Save. Your payment method will now be linked to your ad account. Now, your Meta Ads account is fully set up. You can access it anytime by going to business.facebook.com and selecting your ad account from the menu. From here, you can create ads using Ads Manager. To do that, click on the grid menu again and choose Ads Manager. You'll be taken to the dashboard where you can create campaigns, ad sets, and ads. If you want to run ads on Instagram too, make sure you connect your Instagram account to your Business Manager. To do this, go back to Business Settings. Under Accounts, click on Instagram Accounts. Then click Add and log in with your Instagram username and password. After connecting, you'll be able to run ads on both Facebook and Instagram from the same ad account. One more important thing. If you're running ads for a client or someone else's business, you should request access to their Facebook page and their ad account instead of creating your own. To do this, go to Business Settings, then click Accounts and select Pages or Ad Accounts. Then click Add and choose Request Access. Enter their page or ad account ID and wait for them to approve. That's everything you need to know to create a Meta Ads account. You've set up your Business Manager, created your ad account, added a payment method, and connected your Instagram if needed. Now you're ready to start creating campaigns and reaching your audience. Take your time learning Ads Manager. It may look confusing at first, but it becomes easier the more you use it. You can test small budgets, see how your ads perform, and improve over time.